Validating client certificates in PyOpenSSL. I'm writing an app that requires a cert to be installed in the client browser. I found this in the PyOpenSSL docs for the context object, but I can't see anything about how the callback is supposed to validate the cert, only that it should, somehow. I'm telling the context object where my self-signed or keys are, see below, or so I guess I don't understand why that's not enough for the library to check if the cert presented by the client is a valid one. What should one do in this callback function? Caveat. Coding for fun here. Def not a pro, so if my queue reveals my total lameness, naivety and or fundamental lack of understanding when it comes to SSL, please don't be too rough. Thanks, smiley face. Roger.
In the OpenSSL documentation for set_verify, the key that you care about is the return code. Callback should take 5 arguments, a connection object, an X509 object, and 3 integer variables, which are in turn potential error number, error depth, and return code. Callback should return true if verification passes and false otherwise. There is a full working example that shows more or less what you want to do when our client certificates verified. Essentially, you can ignore the first 4 arguments and just check the value of the return code in the 5th argument like so. Note that I made one other change, which is from OpenSSL import ... to simplify your code a bit while I was testing it, so you don't have the SSL. Prefix in front of every import symbol.